Saan kami kukuha ng pagkain pag hindi kami lumalabas?
Hello mga loves, it's me Clani and welcome back to our channel, Love Clani Labanon. And kung hindi pa nakaka-subscribe dyan, subscribe na dyan ang subscribe button and click na rin ang bell notification para ma-update ka sa mga video natin. And tonight nga mga loves, katatapos ko lang mag-live at mukhang naulan. Ulan. Hindi siya naulan. It's parang sa ano lang yun, sa exhaust fan. Anyway, mga loves, yun nga sabi ko katatapos ko lang mag-live. And today is March 22. Ayan. And may na-receive, mayroon na namang pinatupad dito sa Kuwait na curfew. Ayun, doon nga sabi ko nga sa live ko, kung napanood mo, is may pinatupad na curfew dito sa Kuwait para nga sa doon nga sa kumakalat na virus. Para maglinis sila, ganun, para may iwasan na yung pag-spread ng virus dito sa Kuwait. And, ayun, tapos may nabasa rin ako about doon sa panawagan ni Pangulong Duterte, and papakita ko sa inyo. Just watch until the end and have safe. Stay home.
Saan kami kukuha ng pagkain pag hindi kami lumalabas? Now, it behoves upon the barangay captain. Ito mga barangay captain, makinig kayo. This is a mandatory duty. It does not have to have a law because the proclamation itself suggests that there is really a need for you to work with government. And if you violate this, then you can be liable for the reduction of duty or other regulatory measures which you are supposed to do, and do not do it, and then you violate it. The barangay captain should call a number and at least food, rice, and some ulam pwede ninyong ibigay. Sana para sa ating mga kababayan. Huwag kayong matakot. Ako na ang nagsasabi sa iyo. Huwag kayong matakot. At kung yung barangay captain ninyo ay tatamad-tamaran, siya ang puntahan mo. Remember, if there is a barangay captain who does not fulfill his duty in going around and trying to find out how the citizens are faring, if you are afraid to die of COVID-19, then you have no business being a barangay captain. Mayors now can go ahead and issue, make the environment of their municipality more conducive to a healing process. Hindi mo na kailangan ng mag-convene ka pa ng government city council because with this public health emergency, you can, as the mayor responsible to execute the laws of the land, the ordinance plus the the laws of the national government. So, hindi mo na kailangan dito na maghingi pa kayo, maghintay pa kayo ng, because I've read somewhere, or maybe I've heard it over the TV, radio, na yung ibang munisipyo naghihintay pa. With this emergency, hindi na po kailangan. Just go ahead and the mayor will do it for us. Para walang let me get to. Para wala masyadong rokos, walang debate, isa lang, one line lang ngayon, mayor lang muna. And he can come up with any measure to protect public health, public interest, public order, public safety, and whatever is needed to make life more livable in your place. To the private sector, I have this appeal. Magbayanihan kayo. Na kailangan, basta ang barangay captain. You know, we all have everything that you need. It does not mean to say that when you are sick, when you need medical attention, walang magdala sa iyo. Hindi yan. Hindi sabihin na kung may magwala dyan, walang pulis. Meron nga ng pulis nga nakakalat eh. And remember what I said. Obey the police and the military. Do not quarrel with them. And do not start rokos that would amount to a violation because you will be arrested and brought to prison. Disobedience of authority, baka nagkamali ako, then acts of public disturbance.
Meanwhile,
Ayun na nga mga loves. Thank you so much for watching, and sunod na lang tayo sa ating batas para walang problema saan mang sulok ng mundo, sa Pilipinas man, sa Middle East man, at kahit saan man. Kung ano man po ang pinatutupad ng ating gobyerno ay ating sundin na lamang po para naman po yan sa ating ikabubuti. So God bless everyone!